Today, let's explore how to close like the pros. Over the last couple of weeks, you've learned many different ways to approach people, start conversations, educate them, and give them experiences with the product. Now it's time to learn how to tie up everything you've learned into a simple closing technique. Closing really only has 3 parts to it. Generally, you'll use a pattern of questions, statement that we'll explain in this lesson. The questions are designed to set up your statement. Connecting questions. First, connect the prospect's need with the LifeVantage benefits and solutions. You can do this by asking connecting questions. Connecting questions can be questions like, what did you like best about the Axio samples you tried? What was your favorite part of the presentation on Protandim? These type of questions should connect the prospect's experience with the LifeVantage products to positive feelings and experiences. Here are some more examples of connection questions that are more specific questions about specific products' benefits, like, how was your energy levels after using Axio? What health benefits of Protandim are you excited about? Do you have noticeable improvements in the appearance of your skin after using True Science? Then you want to go to what's next questions. At this point, you realize that the prospect has 3 choices. 1, they say no. 2, they say, I need more information. Or 3, they say, yes. Since you can anticipate these 3 choices, since you know what's next at this point, you can set up the discussion. So, you might say something like this. At this point, most people find themselves like one of the 3 types of people. 1, someone who says, thanks but no thanks. 2, someone who says, I need to think about it or I need more information. Or someone who says, I see it, I'm ready to get started. Which one of these 3 types best describes what you're feeling right now? What's next questions might also include questions like these. How do you see yourself getting involved with LifeVantage? So do you want to make a little bit or a lot of money with LifeVantage business opportunities? Would you like me to set you up so that you can make commissions if you share just Axio or Axio and Protandim with someone? Ask this last question if someone is not super committed. Action statements. Once you've gotten an indication that they see value in the LifeVantage products and opportunities, you'll make an action statement. This action statement gets people off of just thinking about it. An action statement goes something like this. Why don't we jump on my computer right now and we can get you set up? Or, let me get your information so that we can get you started today. Making statements that are positive and that assume interest and value in LifeVantage products and opportunities will help people commit. When people are excited, help them get started immediately. In your mind, play out closing scenarios for some of the people you're working with. Go through what you would ask and how they might respond. Try to come up with different combinations from the examples. Practice until you feel natural in setting up various combinations for various scenarios and people. Have fun with this one.